Hello guys, how are you? I hope you're doing well. So let's start the video that I have recorded last night when Bitcoin hit 81,000. Okay, so I take a position, I executed a trade along. You can see our entry price, our fair price, and our liquidation price. Okay, so current profit is in front of you, our margin is in front of you, how much we have invested in this trade. So this is future trade. Okay, this is not a sport. So I hope some of the peoples are here about that don't know about crypto, that do not have any experience about crypto. So let's start the basic fundamentals of crypto, how to select a stock or currency that may be rise in future. So first of all, the interface of the recording is in front of you. You can see that I have explained all the time. So listen carefully. First of all, first step is macroeconomic. Understand the macroeconomic environment. As you know, currencies did not exist in vacuum. Their values heavily influenced by global financial landscape. Okay, so here we will discuss fiat currencies and cryptocurrencies. Okay, so when in fiat currencies, let's suppose when the interest rate, like central bank US federal reserves raises interest rate, so it strengthens the currency because it attracts foreign investment seeking higher returns. Okay, so if we talk about economic health, so if any country has strong GDP, their growth potential will be higher. Low unemployment means people are hiring more. So and stable inflation rate typically strengthen a currency, so we should invest in that currency. Okay, so there should also be a most important step, so we will discuss here. So there is a political stability and geopolitical. Okay, so that all factors influence heavily that currency. So in according to that point, I am going to discuss some safe countries. Okay, so we should invest in that currency that belongs to that two states. Okay, first is the United States and the second is the Switzerland. Okay, their currencies rises during the global uncertainty, like in the war. Okay, so another factor is government debt. So we will talk about government debt. Higher the government debt can devalue a currency over the long time. Take over the long term. Okay, so if we talk about cryptocurrencies, there are some factors related to cryptocurrency. So we will talk about global liquidity. Okay, so if the central bank, okay, central bank prints more money, some investors turn to cryptocurrency like Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation, potentially rising its price. Okay, so if we talk about regulatory news of the currencies of the stock market or the US stock market, so if the positive regulation, or it means if the currency is ETF proved, okay, so it can rise the price. Okay, so if the regulations are, if the regulatory news are negative, so it will devalue that currency. Okay, so if we talk about the fundamental analysis, assessing intrinsic value of that currency, so if we talk about tokenomics, okay, as I have explained in last video, so you can see if there is max supply, we will see max supply of that coin, inflation rate which holds most of the coins. Okay, so there are some crucial steps: total supply, circulating supply. So if we talk about circulating supply, that supply is how many coins, or how many coins are in available for trading. Okay, so some of the other steps are their metrics. So we will talk about the metrics. So if we talk about a currency and their number of daily active addresses. Okay, so transaction volume, total value locked up. If we short term, if we name it is as a short TVL. Okay, so in its DeFi system, DeFi ecosystem, and the partnership with the real companies. If the currency, the most important point is, if the currency of or is the stock market, or the currencies in the stock market. So basically, if they are related to any real company, okay. So as you see, for example, BlackRock company, okay. If some currencies are related to their investment is in BlackRock company, their value is much more higher than that of normal currencies, okay. So in future, that currencies will automatically rise, because people that currency attracts more investors, okay. So that are the basic steps that I will explain. I will try to make a more informative video in the next, more information. I will provide more information in the next video. So please keep support with me, and follow me on the Instagram, and subscribe our channel on YouTube like Bit Banter. Okay, so naming it's Bit Banter. So I hope you are doing well. So thank you so much. Like and follow me.